You've probably been told that to make real money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, you need a fancy website, a massive ad budget, and the patience of a monk waiting for Google to notice you. For 2026, let me just say, that's a complete myth. If you've been grabbing random product photos, slapping affiliate links on your pins, and hearing nothing but crickets in your commission dashboard, then you already know that old method is broken. You're not doing anything wrong, you've just been handed the wrong playbook. In this video, I'm breaking down the step-by-step system that top affiliates are using right now to earn daily high-ticket commissions with just a free Pinterest account. No blog, no website, and zero complicated tech. We're going to build a simple, automated sales machine that works for you 24 hours a day. So stick around and I'll show you exactly how it's done. Section 1. The foundation for profit. Before we get to the fun stuff, like actually making money, we have to lay a solid foundation. Seriously, these first two steps are what separate the winners from the wannabes, and skipping them is why most beginners crash and burn. Step 1. Set up your business hub. First things first, you absolutely must have a Pinterest business account. If you're using a personal one, pause this video and switch it over right now. It's free, takes about 2 minutes, and unlocks two critical tools, analytics and trends. Your analytics are your report card. They show you exactly which pins are getting clicks and saves, so you know what's working and what's not. But the Pinterest Trends tool is your secret weapon. It shows you what millions of people are searching for right now, and even better, what they're going to be searching for next month. This is how we find winning products before they go mainstream. We don't guess. We use data. Step 2. Find your goldmine niche and products. Next, you need to pick a niche that people are already excited to spend money on. Affiliate marketing isn't about forcing a sale. It's about connecting people with the solutions they're already looking for. The most profitable niches on Pinterest are always super visual. Think home decor, kitchen gadgets, fitness gear, beauty routines, and travel essentials. People come to Pinterest to dream up a better life, and your job is to hand them the tools to build it. Once you have a niche, it's time to find your products. You can go straight to the websites of brands you already use and love. Just scroll to the footer and look for a link that says affiliates or partners, or you can join big networks like ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, or even Amazon Associates, which hosts thousands of brands under one roof. And here's a pro tip that'll save you a ton of headaches. Before you promote anything, read the affiliate program's rules. You have to make sure they allow promotion on Pinterest. Some brands are picky about where their links show up, and breaking a rule is a quick way to get your account shut down. Okay, this is the part that changes everything. This is where we stop spamming links like an amateur and start building a real sustainable business. Step 3. The myth of direct linking and the bridge page solution. Most beginners are taught to just grab their affiliate link and paste it directly into their pin's destination link. And while you can technically do this, it's a risky move that can get your account flagged as spammy, and honestly, the conversion rates are terrible. Think about it. Someone sees one pin, and you immediately ask them to pull out their wallet. There's no trust, no context, and zero relationship. Instead, we're going to use a simple one-page bridge page. This is not a website. It's a single, clean page with one mission: to warm up your visitor and build a little trust before asking for the sale. This page sits between your Pinterest pin and the sales page, giving you a chance to explain why this product is the perfect solution for them. Using a bridge page dramatically increases your conversion rates because you're giving value before asking for a click. You can build these for free with tools like Card or MailerLite in about 15 minutes. It's all simple drag and drop. Step 4. The Trust Builder, your irresistible freebie. So what goes on this bridge page? Not a sales pitch. We're going to offer something valuable for free. We call this a lead magnet. It's just a simple piece of info that solves a small problem for your audience. If you're in the home organization niche, your freebie could be a one-page decluttering checklist. In the keto diet niche, a 7-day keto meal plan. This can be a simple PDF you whip up in Canva for free. On your landing page, you'll have a clean headline like, get your free 7-day keto meal plan, and a button that says download now. When they click, a box pops up asking for their email address so you know where to send it. This step is the absolute key to long-term passive income. Because now, you're not just getting a one-time click, you're building an email list, a real asset that you own. Step 5. The automated sales machine. This is where the magic happens. Once someone pops in their email to get your freebie, they are automatically added to a simple, pre-written email sequence. Most email marketing services have free plans that let you do this easily. Your sequence might look something like this. Email 1. Send immediately. Here's that free guide I promised. Email 2. Send 2 days later. A friendly email with another helpful tip where you casually mention your main affiliate product as a great tool to get even better results. This is where you put your affiliate link. Email 3. Send 4 days later. Share a cool success story or a different benefit of the product. Email 4. Send 6 days later. A final no-pressure reminder about the product and why it's so helpful. This little machine works for you in the background 24 hours a day, building relationships and selling for you on autopilot. Section 3. Driving traffic with killer pins. Now that our system is built, we just need to add fuel. That's where Pinterest comes in. Step 6. Creating pins that actually convert. The biggest mistake people make on Pinterest is creating pins that just look like ads. Your best performing content will be genuinely helpful. Your pins should teach, explain, or solve a problem. So instead of a pin that just shows a picture of an air fryer, create a pin titled 5 air fryer dinners you can make in under 10 minutes. Then, on your landing page, you can recommend the awesome air fryer you use. A few quick design tips. Tip 1. Always use a vertical 2.3 ratio. It takes up the most real estate on a phone screen. Tip 2. Use bold text overlays. Your title needs to be easy to read while someone is scrolling fast. Tip 3. Use high-quality images or, even better, video. Pinterest is a visual platform. Video pins get massively more engagement, so don't sleep on them. Step 7. Linking safely and legally. When you create your pin, you're going to put the link to your new bridge page in the destination link field. Remember, you are not linking directly to the affiliate product. You are linking to your page with the freebie. This is also where we handle the legal stuff. To stay on the right side of the law and Pinterest rules, you have to disclose that you're using affiliate links. The easiest way to do this is by simply adding "ad" or "affiliate" to your pin description. It's required, and it shows you're being transparent, which builds trust. And whatever you do, never use link shorteners like bit.ly. Pinterest's policy forbids them, and it's a surefire way to get your account suspended. Section 4. The system for scaling. The final piece of the puzzle is all about smart, consistent work. Step 8. Consistency over intensity. Pinterest rewards consistency far more than it rewards random bursts of activity. Pinning 30 pins one day and then disappearing for a week won't work. The goal is to pin consistently every single day. Aim for about 5 to 10 pins per day. Now, that sounds like a lot, but you don't need to create 10 new things every day. You should absolutely create multiple different pin designs with different images, titles, and descriptions that all point to the same landing page. The best way to do this without burning out is to batch your work. Set aside 1 day a week to create all your pins, then use Pinterest's free built-in scheduler to have them post automatically throughout the week. Let's recap the whole system real quick. Someone sees your helpful pin. They click to your simple landing page. They enter their email to get your awesome freebie. Then your automated email sequence follows up, gives more value, and promotes your affiliate product. Pin to page to email to commission. That's the entire funnel. It's professional, it's sustainable, and it builds a real asset for you, your email list. This is the exact strategy that separates the hobbyists from the professional affiliate marketers in 2026. It's all about providing value first, which builds the trust you need to earn those commissions. If this video helped you out, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more 2026 affiliate strategies. And remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. The pins you create today can drive traffic and sales for months or even years. Be patient, stay consistent, and focus on helping people. The income will follow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.